Is your child biting, chewing, or grinding their teeth? Then this video is for you. Hi, I am Manasi, founder of Manas Learning. I am a psychologist, special educator, and a therapist. Chewing, grinding, and biting are three different things, and they come under oromotor stimming. So, first find out what your child is exactly doing. If your child is biting on clothes, biting on objects, or biting themselves, then do this specific exercise. Get down to their eye level, ask them to stop, and immediately from the end of the ear, do a massage like this. When a child is trying to bite, there is lot of stress and tension here. You can do it with a cream. Generally, any moisturizer or cream also helps. First, do this. Do it 3-4 times. Then you have to do this way. It just takes few seconds and few minutes. Then do it on both sides. From the ear end till this part, you have to cover. Don't try to poke deep and put very huge pressure. This is a very delicate part, but the child should be able to feel the pressure. Before doing this, try to model the action that the child is doing. If the child is biting, try to do it and you will feel that tension in your jaw, and that is where the massage has to go. Second step to it is wash your hands or wear some gloves and open the mouth. Put your hand at the joint of the child. This is better done by an occupational therapist, but you can get the spot and do a very mild massage. Both sides. You have to support here and do the massage. 3. It is always better to take your child in between your legs. You can sit on a bed and do it. And put your hands, the palms part of it, from here till the lips. And do a massage clockwise 10 times and anti-clockwise 10 times. There are precise steps to be followed. Step 4, do it like this, and this is called fish mouth, where the child is making the Again, do it with a cream. It feels easier. Do this 20 times. Always use teethers as an alternative to bite on like this for the child. Have them handy. Please buy non-toxic ones to use there. Same way, you can also use a ball which should be hard enough at the same time soft enough. This is a non-toxic ball, and you ask the child to bite on this ball. Bite as hard as possible. So the child should be doing that. So it relieves the urge in the jaws and in the teeth for the child, and the child is able to get the sensory input that the child is seeking. Another thing that you need to do is hold the head. It is better to put a napkin, here also a napkin, and press. Open the mouth, press. So the child has some kind of a need in the lower part of the jaw, and when we give this massage 5 times, it relieves it without biting. So do these steps twice or thrice a day as a routine, and your child's biting will reduce. Follow us for more tips like this, and please comment steps below to get the initial 5 steps you need to do before doing these exercises.